N'Golo Kante's absence through illness made an already hard task that much more difficult for Chelsea.Antonio Conte's side travelled to the Etihad Stadium to take on Manchester City, who kicked off what they hope will be a treble-winning season by winning the Carabao Cup last week. Manchester City have pretty much got the Premier League title wrapped up, but they showed in the week that there's no room for complacency with a 3-0 victory over the Gunners. And Conte must have feared when he realised that his Conte-less midfield was going up against David Silva, Ilkay Gundogan and perhaps the finest player in England right now, Kevin De Bruyne. It was De Bruyne who scored the winner when the two clubs met in September, and Eden Hazard revealed before the match that his compatriot has received his vote for Player of the Year. Much of the focus pre-match centered on Conte's absence, but it seems that Graeme Souness maybe wasn't as prepared to talk about it as he should have been. Or maybe he didn't just watch Chelsea's 2-1 defeat to Manchester United last week. Conte ran the midfield last week at Old Trafford, Souness said on Sky Sports. Anyone who watched the match will know that Nemanja Matic and Paul Pogba produced better performances than Conte did. You can see by the way he says it, with his head down, that he doesn't believe what he's saying.